Welcome back, dear students. Let us continue the lesson. We'll discuss the exercise. Question 1 is quite easy. Read the lesson. You can answer the questions on your own. Number 2 is explain the following statements with reasons. I want you to write the page numbers for the answers and then we'll discuss the answers. For number 1 statement, the paikas made. For this, answer is on page 15. Number 2, there was discontent, page 16. Number 3, the Indian sepoys, page 19. Number 4, after the struggle, again page 19. Number 5, the British imposed, page 16. So let us start with the first give reason statement. The paikas made armed rebellion against the British. This answer is on page 15. See the pink color box. The second paragraph. In 1803, from here till in 1817. Mark the answer. This is the answer for number 1 statement. Next question is number 2. There was discontent among the Hindu and Muslim sepoys. This is on page number 16. See this heading, immediate cause. So under this heading, start your answer from in 1856 the British provided from here till made them unhappy. This entire paragraph is the answer for give reason number 2. Next is number 3. The Indian sepoys could not keep stand in front of the British army. This is on page number 19. So come to the heading, last one. The lack of military tactics. Start your answer from Indian soldiers, the first line, till the third last line. Indian sepoys could not succeed. So from the first, Indian soldiers were brave, from here till here is the answer for give reason number 3. Next, number 4. After the struggle, Indian army was divided on the basis of caste. This is also on page 19. Same page. Under the heading, change in composition of army. Start your answer from the proportion of British soldiers from here till against the British. This is answer of give reason number 4. Then number 5. The British imposed heavy taxes on Indian industries. This is on page 16. Economic causes paragraph. Start from the first line. The British till industries. Heavy taxes on the local industries. Till here is the answer. Don't write the heading. For the previous answers also, don't write the headings. Start your answer from the first line. The British till industries. This answer is of give reason number 5. Let's move on to the next question. Answer the following questions in brief. Write down the page numbers first for all these questions. Number 1, page 16. Number 2, 19. Number 3, 19 again. Number 4, 20. Got it? Let us discuss the answers now. What were the social causes behind the struggle of 1857? Come to page 16. See social causes paragraph. So your answer will start from the Indians felt that. From here, the entire paragraph under social causes. They were dissatisfied. Everything you have to write. The entire paragraph under social causes. Write in points. Shall we move on to the next question? Number 2. Why did the Indians fail in the struggle of 1857? Come to page 19. Causes of failure of the struggle. This heading you can write. Then under that, the point 1 will be this heading. Write the heading for this. The struggle was not comprehensive, and under that you will write the first 3 lines. From the struggle till North India. Give there a full stop. Okay. This is point 1. Point number 2. Write the heading. Lack of central leadership. Under this, write the first 2 lines. There was no commonly accepted leader to fight against the British. Then point number 3, the next heading. Most of the feudatory princes remained aloof. Under this, you write till suffering, just as the common till suffering. Then point number 4, lack of military tactics. Give the heading, and under that you will write from Indians till supply. The Indian soldiers were brave but did not use tactics. They captured Delhi but could not retain it. Similarly, the Indian rebels had limited armed supply. You can add one more point to this. Wars are fought not only based on bravery but also through military strategies. This also you write under the same heading. Point number 5. International situation favorable for Britishers. Write this heading. And from down, right from here, the naval strength of British was vast, whereas the Indian rebels were isolated. Write only this much under the last heading. With this, we complete the second answer. Causes of failure of the struggle. Next, number 3 is write down the consequences of the struggle of 1857. Just below that, the consequences of freedom struggle. This will be your heading, and then first heading will be end of rule of East India Company. Under this you have to write due to the company rule from here till Indians. Then continue. Start from after Indians, start from it forced the British till 1858. Write this also under the first heading. This will be your point 1. Point number 2, Queen's Proclamation. Under this heading you will write from Queen Victoria till merit. This will be point 2. Point number 3, change in composition of army. Under this you will write from the proportion of British soldiers till hands of the British. Only 3 points for this answer. Last one is, what were the changes in British policy after the struggle of 1857? Change in policy heading. Write the entire first paragraph as the answer. Write the answer in points. I hope you have followed the answers. Write them down in your classwork notebooks and complete the lesson. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.